Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we will see how you can import documents from Google Drive. First of all, navigate to the Docs section, and in the top right, click on Import. Then click on Connect next to Google Drive. Here you need to click on Connect Account in order to connect your Google account. Select the account you want to connect, and click on Continue. Once your account is connected, you'll be redirected to this screen. Here you need to click on this drop-down to select the Drive folder, and here you will see a list of all the folders in your drive. Let's select the root folder. Here you're going to see a list of all the documents in the folder that you selected. So here we can see there are 2 documents in this folder. You can either select all, or you can select a particular document that you want to import, and then hit Import. Our document is successfully imported. Simply click on the document title to open the document. And here we have our document. That's how you can easily import documents from Google Drive. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.